Greetings, everyone. My name is Granite, also known as Mr. Sharp, and today I'm going to be unboxing some Saberforge blades. Now, I ordered 5 blades from Saberforge. Um, some of them are my buddies. He has 2. I have 3 in this box, but I'm not too sure if they're all bundled up or anything. I haven't seen enough videos about Saberforge blades being unboxed, so bear with me. But yeah, so I got in this box here, I got a 37-inch normal clear blade, another normal clear blade, 32-inch, a colored blade, yellow colored blade, and then my buddy got a red. Oh, sorry, not a red blade. That might be in here. Depends. Um, 32-inch red, and also a 32-inch purple. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just open up this sucker so I just won't keep you waiting anymore. But yeah, so pretty much what ended up happening was when we were ordering this, apparently they ran out of red blades on their site, so they offered us to if they could change the blade. So that's why I say maybe, because for some reason on the packaging it still said that it was labeled as a red blade still. So who knows? They might just have they might have had the extra red blade, but I can't exactly know for certain if that came on here. But in terms of their customer service, I actually originally sent a message to them, and I was saying in there that, what's your lead time on blades? And then, that's when they sent me the message back saying pretty much, oh yeah, well, we might have to change the order for you. And that's when I sort of got word. I almost got this opened up here for you guys. Just bear with me. Bad. All right, here we go. So, okay. Yeah, no, they're not all wrapped up. They're just all in a single piece. And let's see if we get the lighting. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, there's all 5 of the blades are in there. So, my eye, it's purple here. These are all the normal blades, and then this is the yellow blade. I just had to cut the video there just for a second. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just pull these suckers out. So I'll just start with my yellow one first. Wow, wow, the color. Jesus, the color on this. I mean, not the color, both the color and the wrap just looks really nice on the inside. Like the polycarbonate on this thing just looks really incredible. So let's go ahead and get a closer look on that. It's a really nice kind of gold finish that's on this thing. It looks really nice. 32-inch, and then get that tip there. Nice bulleted tip. And the thing is that the reason why I wanted to do Saberforge heavy grade blades was that they thread on their tips, as you can see. It's just kind of, they have the tip really, really on intact, so it just stays there. And, I like the tips, so I'll just give a little brief demonstration in a second here. But yeah, that's one of the blades. I'll go ahead and get my long blade out. So this is their 37-inch blade I have here. Wow, whoa, looks cool on the inside. I should actually, when I get the gold blade in just a second, just let you guys see the inside. And the bullet, it's not, this one has got kind of a softer tip on the end. It isn't like as sharp, but I guess that's, yeah, the other one is more pointed. This one is not as much. And you can't really, it's really hard to see the screw in there, but definitely the screw is on in there. All right, yeah, I'll just go to the gold for a second just to kind of see the inside for you guys. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's it there. All right, so the gold. Now I'm gonna pull out one of the 32 inches. One of them's for my bud. Yeah, it seems like with the regular V4s, The 32 ones. No, sorry. Yeah, just the regular blades, not the colored blades. They have like a softer bulleted tip. I'm not too sure why that is, but it doesn't bug me either way because it's still kind of a, bulleted tip effect of that. Hang on. See, there we go. See the inside there. And then, yep. Normal blade. Tip of that. All right. So, pretty much, I guess we'll pull out the purple, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back in the box as well. Oh wow, that's it looks really dark on camera, but to my eye, it still is kind of dark, but still has a nice color to it, nevertheless. And even the bulleted tip on it looks really cool. Yet again, like the color tips are a little more confirmed and pointed, and it's still kind of tough to see, but there's a lot of threads in there. Like it goes in like about, say, like right there. But yeah, it kind of looks blue on camera, like dark blue, but I assure you that it is purple. Yeah, I guess it kind of gives you better perspective just seeing the inside of it. But yeah, so I'm gonna have my Ultra Saber here, and this is a kind of cyan color. They call it Sunrider's Destiny. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and pop in the gold, and I guess show you what that looks like, because I've been curious to see what gold looks like with this color on. Wow, that looks kind of dope. It's really hard to see on camera, but because it's a teal LED essentially, right? Like you're mixing green and blue, the green kind of overrides it and makes it have more of the green is on the inside and then yellow on the outside. It looks fucking cool. I really like this. Like hang on, let me see if I can try to. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. It's not teal. It's more of a like green, solid green in the eye. But yeah, you get yellow on the outside, so you have the yellow aura, and just green, streamlined green on the inside. And the best thing I like about this blade in particular is that it has a mirrored tip at here, so it keeps reflecting the light back down. This just looks just so cool. All right, so I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna do the normal 32-inch and just see the effect on this one. This was just I guess this was just to be expected. The color holds a lot better than the Ultra Saber one, and it is a 32-inch. My other one is 36-inch blade. But yeah, this one, kind of the same thing, it's just a really solid color throughout. And then yet again, it kind of reflects some of the light there. But the yellow blade, the yellow blade is just so cool. I love the containment in it. But yeah, this is just solid color kind of deal. All right, we'll do a crazy one. I'll go ahead and put in the purple. And then we'll just kind of cut off the video. So teal LED with purple. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, the like there isn't as much blue in this one, but there's all the base flare, and then on the outside just has the color. So you're seeing what I'm seeing pretty much. Like it's a little bit of a darker blue, but then it just kind of gradually fades as I'm sliding the saber along here into just kind of a darker blue. And then yet again, since it's a color blade, it's purple, more or less purple on the outside. So yeah, that's really, really, really cool. How they design this. So Ultra Saber kind of does the same thing too with their blades. They make it so that it's the silvery looking one. They're just regular mid grades. Yeah, their mid grades kind of do that, where it kind of contains the color in. But yeah, that's all I got to say for that. That's cool stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna just cut the video here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Yeah, yeah, see you.